What is up, guys? It's your boy Rex here and welcome back to this channel. So today, guys, in this video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Fiverr.com and I'm going to go and try to buy traffic from Fiverr, and I'm going to use it to promote my affiliate offers, and I'm going to see if we're going to be able to make any sales from using this traffic from Fiverr. So what I was doing is I was looking for a way to go and drag a lot of targeted traffic back to my affiliate offers to make a lot more sales on Clickbank, and I went to Fiverr.com. I can see there are a lot of gigs right here. So you can see there are a lot of gigs right here that are claiming to go and drag a lot of high quality USA traffic back to your website. And what I'm going to do from here is I'm going to go and buy some of these gigs that have a lot of reviews, because you can see many of them have a lot of 5-star reviews. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and use this, and we're going to go and try to promote our affiliate products, and we're going to see if we're going to be able to make any sales from this traffic right here. So that's it, guys. If you're new to the channel, guys, so subscribe to the channel so you're going to get notified time I post new videos that can help you guys start making some extra money online. So I post new videos on Clickbank, any methods, and some free methods that can help you to start making some extra money very fast online. So that's it, guys. So let's get into the video and let's get started. Okay, guys, so what I'm going to do for me is I'm going to go and choose some products that I've already promoted before and I've gotten a lot of results. We're going to go and choose some products that we're going to go and use and promote on Fiverr.com. So let me show you one product from here. So the first product I'm going to choose is this particular product called Lepto Connect. So I promoted this particular product. I've gotten a lot of results from promoting this particular product. I can see this product is converting very well. As you can see, it has a very high gravity right here. So if you go to the sales page, you're going to see this a weight loss products from here. So I've gotten a lot of sales promoting this product, so we're going to go and promote this as well on Fiverr, and we're going to see if we're going to get any sales from here. So what I'm going to do for me is I'm going to go and choose a second product. So the second product I'm going to go and promote is this product. It's called Manifestation Magic. So let's look for Manifestation Magic. We're going to go and promote that product as well. So type Manifestation. I was going to go and find this particular product right here. So I've also promoted this particular product. I've gotten a lot of sales from promoting this product. So what I'm going to do for me is I'm going to go and see if we can go and promote this product and make sales on that traffic from Fiverr. So what I'm going to do next, I'm going to go to Linktree. I'm going to go and set up a simple landing page on Linktree. So for the Lepto Connect offer, I've already set up a Linktree account. So this is a Lepto Connect offer. I've already set up a Linktree account, and if you click on this link, it's going to take you back to the Lepto Connect offer on Clickbank. So I don't want to go and directly link the traffic from Fiverr back to the affiliate offer. So I'm going to use this simple Linktree landing pages right here. So for the Manifestation Magic, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and create a link on Linktree as well. So this is Linktree. I'm just going to go and click on add new link. So let me just add a new link right here. I'm just going to go and get my affiliate offer from the affiliate marketplace. So let me click on promote. We're going to get this affiliate link right here, and we're going to go and put it on Linktree. So we're going to go and submit it on Fiverr.com, and people are going to come to this page before they're going to go back to the affiliate offer. So I'm going to input my affiliate ID right here. So I'm going to input tracking ID. For example, I'm just going to input, for example, Fiverr1, as that's going to be our tracking ID. So let me click on generate hub links. So I'm going to be able to track where the sales is coming from promoting these products right here. So let's copy the affiliate link. So let's copy this. We're going to go and put it at Linktree. So let's input this right here. So let's input this as our link. So let me input the title, for example, learn how to manifest. So that's, guys. So I'm just going to write a simple call to action like this, and this is going to be our link to the second product right here. So what we're going to do is that we're going to go and buy 2 gigs from Fiverr, and we're going to go and send them back to these 2 different links right here. So I'm going to do this as well as I'm just going to go and shorten this on Bitly. So let me go and shorten this link on Bitly. So let me just copy this one. So let me copy this first link. I'm just going to go to Bitly, and I'm just going to go and shorten this right here. So let me just put this right here and paste. I'm just going to go and customize this link right here on Bitly. So let me click on create. I'm just going to go and customize this, for example, Manifestation Magic. So let me click on save. So let me copy this link. I'm just going to go to pastelink.net. I'm just going to write, for example, Manifestation Magic. And this is a link for Manifestation Magic. So I'm just going to go and shorten the Bitly link for the Lepto Connect offer as well. So let me go to the Linktree link. I'm just going to copy the link. I'm just going to go and shorten this as well on Bitly. So let me click on create, and let me paste this right here. So let me click on create. And that's it, guys. I'm just going to go and copy this. I'm going to go and paste it on pastelink.net as well. So let me write Lepto Connect. And that's it, guys. Our links are already ready. So what I'm going to do from here next, that we're going to go to Fiverr.com. I'm going to go and look for people that can go and promote our affiliate offer very easily. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to head over to Fiverr.com right now. Okay, guys, so we're on Fiverr.com. So what I did is I just type, for example, USD traffic. So you type USD traffic. I found a lot of gigs from here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be looking for traffic that's coming from the United States, because traffic from the United States tends to convert a lot better and the best. So what I'm going to do for me is I'm going to go and choose one of these gigs from here. I'm going to go and buy two gigs, and I'm going to go and promote these two products that I've chosen right here. So I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to go and choose one from here. So let me choose this one. We're going to get 40,000 website traffic visitors in 30 days at $5, guys. So we can go and try this one. That's up to 95 reviews. So let's click on this one. So I see this particular gig is going to provide up to 40,000 web visitors in 30 days. And you can see it has up to 16 orders in queue. So this person is getting a lot of orders from here. I can see it has up to 95 5-star reviews right here. So what I'm going to do from here is that we're just going to look at the description. So let's look at the description from here. So you can see you're going to get up to 40,000 real genuine social visitors with unique IP, no bots or PPC. So you can see all visitors within a month. So most of the most are from search engines. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on and buy this one right here. So you can see 30 days. So you can see right here 3 days money back guaranteed. So this person is going to provide a lot of traffic. So we're just going to go and try this and promote our affiliate offer. So what we're going to do as well is that we're going to go, for example, to the reviews. So we're going to see if people are leaving good reviews from here. So we're going to see this one, good work. So it was published 1 day ago. So a lot of people are buying this particular gig right here. So we're seeing that there's only positive reviews right here. So let me click on see more. You can see there are a lot of positive reviews about this particular gig from here. So I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to go and buy this particular gig, and we're going to go and try this if you're going to make any sales from promoting this particular, from buying this particular gig right here. So there's a lot of good reviews right here. So there's only 5-star reviews on this particular gig. So what I'm going to do for me is that for this first order, I'm just going to go and buy this, and I'm going to go and send the traffic back to Manifestation Magic. And I'm also going to go and look for a second gig, and we're going to go and try and promote their Lepto Connect offer as well. So there's a lot of people that are found on this particular website. So we're going to go and try any of these ones. So what I'm going to do is first of all, I'm just going to go and order that first gig, and I'm just going to send it to Manifestation Magic so I can start getting some traffic fast and start making some money very fast with this method. So let's see if we're going to make any sales by the end of this video. So we're going to go and buy this one for example. So let's click on continue, and let's go and purchase this particular gig right here. So let's see right here. So let's click on continue to check out, and let's pay for this gig right here. So let me click on confirm and pay. So let me pay. I can see right here about this particular gig. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and send our links to this person and see if they're going to send us a lot of genuine traffic and if we're going to make any money from here. So right here you can see that all they need from here is the URL of our website. So what we're going to do is we're going to go and copy this. So let's copy this Manifestation Magic link. So let's copy this and let's go and submit it right here. So let's copy this and let's go and submit it right here. So let's submit this. Or we're just going to go and start this order from here. So let's click on this. Let's click on start order. So that's guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be waiting for the traffic that is going to send to us from here. And what we're going to do for me is I'm going to go and look for a second gig. And we're going to go and try and promote our Lepto Connect offer from here. We're going to see if we're going to be able to make any sales. So I'm already done with this particular order. So this order is already done from here. So what we're going to do for me next, we're going to go and look for another gig. So I found a lot more different gigs from here. So a lot of people are providing different web traffic gigs right here. So I see one, for example, this person said that is going to drive 1 million USA website traffic, guys. So what I'm going to do from is I'm just going to go and choose one. So I've seen this particular one. It's called Parina 124. You can see this particular gig has up to 700 reviews, guys. So I see here, yes, 700 reviews means that this is genuine traffic, and this person is going to send real USA, UK, Australia targeted website traffic. So the main reason why I want to buy this particular gig is because I've seen a lot of reviews. You can see 712 reviews on this particular gig, and they are 5-star reviews. So let me click on this gig. So we're going to go and buy this, and we're going to see if we can go and make some sales from here. So you can see as well, this one has up to 58 orders in queue. So this person is delivering a lot of traffic on Fiverr. So we're going to see if we can go and make some sales from promoting an affiliate offer on this particular gig from here. So let's go right at the bottom. You can see right here. So order will start process within 24 hours. 90% of all the visits are from United States and Europe. So this is good traffic. So it has low bounce rate. You can see SEO complimentary. So you can see right here, not accept Fiverr URL, AdFly, Virus, or YouTube, or Clickbank. So this particular one is not accepting Clickbank, so we're not going to promote this on this particular offer right here. So if it's not accepting Clickbank, we're not going to go and promote this product. So I'm going to go and look for another gig on Fiverr. So let's look for another gig from here. So I found this other one. It also has a lot of reviews right here. So you can see it's going to send you up to 500,000 USA traffic and has up to 161 reviews right here. So let's click on this one and let's go and purchase this particular one. So we're going to go and look at the description. I'm going to go and see if we can go and promote our Clickbank affiliate offers using this traffic source right here. So let's go right to the description. You can see right here, you're going to get up to 75,000 visits by $5 only. You can see no bot, no proxies, no panel. So this is all good. So SEO ranking. So you can go and promote our affiliate product right here. So you can see right here, this is the description right here. So what we're going to do from here is that we're just going to go and buy this as well, and we're going to go and promote this. So what we're going to do from here is I'm going to go and look at the reviews as well. So let's go to the reviews and let's see if people are getting a lot of sales from here. So considering many people are giving a lot of positive reviews from here. So you can see there's a lot of reviews. So what I'm going to do from here is I'm just going to go and purchase this second gig, and we're going to go and promote our Laptop Connect offer. I'm going to see if we can go and make any sales from here. So we're just going to go and click on continue. I'm going to go and get our link from Laptop Connect from here. We're going to go and buy this gig right here. So let me click on checkout, and I'm just going to go and buy this gig right here. So let me click on confirm and pay, and that's it, guys. So I'm just going to go to the Laptop Connect offer. I'm just going to go and copy the link from here. So let me copy this link. We're going to go back and we're going to go and submit it right here. So let's go and submit it. I can start getting some, hopefully we can start getting some traffic, and hopefully we can start getting some sales from here. So let's see right here. So we are happy to deal with you. Please give me your side link to start push traffic to it. So let's input this right here. And that's it, guys. So what we're going to do from here is that we're going to go and wait and see if we can go and make any sales from these gigs that we are purchased from Fiverr right here. So that's it. I'm just going to go and click on confirm and start order. And that's it, guys. So what we're going to do from here is that we're just going to wait and see if we're going to get any quality traffic from here, and we are going to be able to make any sales. So that's it, guys. So I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Okay, guys, so it's been 13 days since that we bought this traffic from Fiverr. So what we're going to do from here is that we're going to go and verify if we got any traffic from here and if we got any sales from the traffic promoting these Clickbank products. So you can see this is the first order that we bought. This person is going to send us up to 40,000 visitors to our affiliate link, and you can see the order has already been delivered right here. So what we're going to do from here, we're just going to go and look at the stats, and we're going to see if we are able to make any sales from this traffic right here. So this is the first link that we sent. So let's copy this link. We're going to go and see how much traffic was sent to this link right here. We're going to go and check in Clickbank if we made any sales from this traffic right here. So let's go to Bitly. So let me just input this and search on Bitly. So let me just press on search. We're going to say this particular link on Bitly. So I said this link that we sent to this first order. You can see this is the first order. We have gotten up to 45,000 visitors in the last 14 days, guys. So you can see I've gotten 45,000 visitors, right? So I've gotten 45,000 clicks right here. So with this 45,000 clicks, we are going to see if we are able to make any sales from this first traffic source right here. So the second traffic that we bought, so the second traffic source that we bought from this particular person right here that's going to send us up to 500,000 USA visitors right here. But the person finally canceled because you can see that they're not accepting affiliate links. So what I did is that I went and bought another gig that also had a lot of good reviews. So I finally canceled this order and bought 8 different gigs. So this is a gig that I bought. It also had a lot of reviews. So it's going to send up to 50,000 visitors as well. So it's going to up to 30,000 high quality visitors from the United States. And I also bought this one at $5. So I already sent this order, and this order has already been delivered. So what I'm going to do is that we're going to go and see if we're going to get any results from here. So let's go to the link and let's see how much traffic we got from this particular link from here. So let's go this to Bitly. So let's open this link in a new tab and let's see how much traffic we got from this second order here. And we're going to go and see if we got any sales from this traffic that is going to send from Fiverr right here. So you can see right here for this particular one, we had only 10,000 clicks in the last 13 days, guys. So you can see we had 10,000 clicks to this one. So this other landing page. So this is the fitness offer. So you go to this link. It's going to be promoting the fitness offer that we created. So this one is going to take you back to the affiliate offer that we created right here. So I'm going to do from is I'm just going to go back to my Clickbank analytics and I'm going to see if we got any sales from this traffic right here. So the second traffic sent us 10,000 clicks and the first one sent us, you can see 45,000 clicks right here. So that's about 60,000 clicks that we got in the space of 13 days. So I'm going to go back to my Clickbank account and we're going to go to the last 14 days. So let's go to the affiliate section and let's sort by the last 14 days as this traffic was sent in the last 14 days. We're just going to go and sort by tracking ID. So let's go by tracking ID because we added the tracking IDs to these different offers right here. So let's hide this and let's check if you got any sales from here, because on this particular account I've not been promoting affiliate products because this was just for this experiment. So most of these other sales are from free traffic methods. So you can see right here guys that we do not make any sales from this traffic. I can see that we did not get even one click to our affiliate offer from these links that we created right here, because they were tracking IDs right. You can see from these tracking IDs, so these are mostly from my free traffic strategies right here for this particular method. I can see that we did not get any of the clicks. So from this 45,000 clicks from here, we didn't even get up to one click in our Clickbank dashboard. Even this 10,000 visitors from here, you can see that we did not get even one click on our affiliate offer. So these Fiverr gigs are sending bot traffic because 45,000 people visited this landing page and nobody clicked from here to the affiliate offer, guys. You can see this other one, 45,000 visitors visited this particular link to our affiliate offer, but nobody clicked from this link back to our affiliate offer, guys. So you can say this 100% bot traffic, so we do not get any sales and we do not get any clicks back to our affiliate offer, guys. So 45,000 people visited this link, but nobody clicked from this link back to our affiliate offer. And even this first link, nobody clicked from here. 10,000 people visited this particular landing page and nobody clicked from here back to the affiliate offer. So this is 100% bot traffic, and I don't recommend that you should go and buy any traffic from Fiverr. So I recommend is that you can go, for example, to Facebook. You can go and buy traffic from Facebook and buy from Google. And the traffic from YouTube and Facebook, they're going to be expensive, but you can go and make sales from that traffic, guys. So if anybody is promising you to give, for example, 50,000 visitors for only $5, you're going to waste your money and you're not going to get any sales from those traffic, guys. So I do not recommend that you buy traffic from Fiverr. I recommend that you can go and buy traffic from other networks. For example, Bing, you can buy traffic from Google. They're going to be very expensive, but you can go and make sales from those traffic because they're going to be high quality traffic. They're not going to be bot traffic, guys. So from this traffic right here, nobody clicked back to the affiliate offer, so we did not get any sales from here. So I do not recommend that you should go and buy traffic from Fiverr, guys. So you're not going to make any sales from here. You're just going to waste your money from here, guys. So that's it, guys. So if you like this case study, all you're going to do is you're going to go and leave a like on this video and subscribe to the channel, and you're going to comment in the description if you want to see me do a lot more different case studies, guys. So that's it, guys. Keep working hard and I'll see you guys in the next video.